fighting through the hurricane. Rollo Jones out here. The hurricane is blowing. Ike is everywhere. He's slapping Tina. He's saying, eat the cake, Anna Mae, eat the cake. I'm telling him, look here, this is not going to last. Rollo Jones reporting live. Straight. Woo! The wind is blowing so hard. Can Rollo survive the earthquake? Oh no, it's not an earthquake, it's a hurricane. Rollo, go get him, Rollo. Live reporting from Rollo Jones, 2008, September it's something or another. I've been trapped for 27 days in this hurricane. I was in the eye of the storm when it hit Haiti. Now I'm all the way here in Houston, Texas, reporting live at the hurricane.
The hurricane, the hurricane, do the hurricane, do the hurricane, do the hurricane. Now do the hurricane to the right, hurricane to the left, hurricane, hurricane, and do you run out of do the hurricane, do the hurricane, do the hurricane, do the hurricane. Now do the hurricane to the right, hurricane to the left, hurricane, hurricane, and do you run out of breath. My ladies get low, while my fellas get wild. We about to do the hurricane, we about to wild out hurricane.
Ike, I'm tired. I gotta go. Off the air is Rollo Jones.